cracked your glass at all yet because of the movement on it. There you go. I was thinking maybe airport. Okay. Yeah, it works, man.
It's cracked right here.
Yeah, it'll break everything as you just keep getting into it. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Roll that window down.
Info first, real quick. What's your name and what's in here, man?
Name's Tim. Got a solid 8K back here on a 90 amp hour C-Max with 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 12s.
Okay. Sweet. Who built the box?
Fanny Gibson.
Okay. I'll check it out after the demo. And is this wired to 1 ohm or half ohm?
Half ohm.
Half ohm, okay. Very nice. Do you know your tuning on it?
30 hertz.
30 hertz.
Where's that?
All right. I see you have your amp right here on top of the seats. Do the seats go up at all? Just curious.
No.
They don't? Okay. Let's kind of figure out, do you have your amp fit on the seat or do you have it where you can pull it up? All right, that's all good. I was just curious, man. That looks good. And it's a lot louder, I'm sure, if you tested before with the seat forward or anything like that.
We used to have a Terran Space 8K in here, but
Yeah.
then we put that in there.
Can you tell a big difference?
Yeah, massive difference.
All right. Looks good. See the box. I want to see how the port looks and all this kind of before I give you good feedback on it.
All right.
I'm really curious to see how you have that port designed. I'm surprised you haven't cracked your glass at all yet because of the movement on it. There you go. I was thinking maybe airport. Okay. Yeah, it works, man.
It's cracked right here.
Yeah, it'll break everything as you just keep getting into it. Very nice. So your port's on this side. Okay. I was trying to figure out if you had center port or not. Very nice. Very nice. Let's get a picture real quick, if that's all right. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. So I got daily cardio videos coming your way. Today is the dual 12-inch subwoofer that I'm hoping you're enjoying so far. I got to showcase the system from the Ruckus and Chill show in North Carolina, Fayetteville area, 2021 November last year. So finally getting to upload it. Go ahead and comment and let them know what you think about his system if you haven't already. Say something positive. We try to keep things pretty positive on this channel. So big powerful amplifier that he's got ran to these subs. These subs are rated at either 2 or 2.5K RMS. So definitely wired down as well to half ohm. So he's definitely putting some power on them. The vehicle and the system demo may not show justice of how loud it is because video doesn't always show flex all the way, as well as it doesn't show the SPL output. But I hope you're enjoying the video so far. We're about to see how this thing sounds. So in the back here of the amplifier, you can see that he has it mounted on the seat. He didn't able to actually put the seat up, so he said that he likes to have it where he's able to just demo with the seat down and it's louder. And the subs are facing back instead of forward. I don't know if that's louder or not. I've seen a lot of systems where the subwoofers facing forward are normally louder, but facing backward would be louder if you have it where you're not walling off in the trunk. There's just so many variations of options for it. Let me know in the comments if you want. Which subwoofer route do you think is louder? Subs facing forward or subs facing the trunk? I've seen more systems with the subs facing the trunk in a box case like this that seem to be louder. But if you faced them forward with them walled off, I'm sure it would be even better. So anyway, stay tuned for more videos. Enjoy the demo video.
With a blind
Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Caleb.
Caleb. All right, Caleb. Nice to meet you too, man. Jacob. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.